Hi, it's Rich from Loen.Design. Today, we're going to be making a display case for wine. A friend of mine, David Francis, owns a company called DFwine.ca, and he supplies wine to stores and people who like to buy wine in Quebec. And he needs a little display case to sell wine within small stores, corner stores, and grocery stores. This is what we're thinking of. It's basically 5 boxes, identical, with wine being displayed on each one, and some legs at the bottom with the bottoms cut 45 degrees to provide a support for the whole thing, and 1 bar up the side on each side to help support the whole thing. So one of the first things we had to think about is how to display 5 bottles of wine. And wine comes in all different sizes. And so we want to put 5 in a row here. This gives me kind of a feel for what magnitude, what width of case I'm looking at. And that's 20 inches right there. So that looks pretty good. So if we make a box 20 inches wide, then we should be able to display all this wine. That should work to hold 5 bottles of wine with the neck and the body of the bottle. So the base is going to be 2 pieces like this, and these faces will be covered over, and they kind of go together like that. Our wine display project has made it into the finish room. We've got the base and the 5 boxes that make up the wine display. I'll fit on there. Next, 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 up in a zigzag. So I've already got 1 coat of finish on these, and we'll be putting probably 3 or 4 more coats on them, and we'll end up with a nice durable finish.
Des vins de Québec. C'est bien. C'est beau ça. Oui. Oh, yeah. C'est bien. Ça goûte beaucoup.